The Birdies for Charity I'm No Chicken Dance Challenge has been brought to you by Jacksonville School for Autism. If you're viewing this, chances are you've been nominated. So this is how it works. Once nominated, you have 24 hours to donate to the Jacksonville School for Autism through the Birdies for Charity campaign and record yourself doing the complete funky chicken dance and post it to social media. Post the video online to your Facebook page with the hashtags #Jacksonville School for Autism, #I'm No Chicken JSA Challenge, and #Birdies for Charity. And then nominate 3 people.